Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope all you are doing well. Today I came here because I want to practice. Nowadays I don't get too much time, so that I am not able to practice. I am facing some fever, that's why I am unable to post my video. And in my journey I am facing some problem, so I am going to share with you so that you can understand while learning English how what are the problem we have to face. Yes my friends, because I want to improve English, but when I want to learn any book, I don't feel any to read book, because sometime I got very difficult word. That time I felt like giving up. I am not able to speak. But anyhow, I have to learn English. So what I do, because if I don't read, how I can achieve my fluency? That's why I am facing some problem, and I purchased many difficult books. That's why I am facing some problem. If you are learning English, my suggestion is that only just try to first go through like simple story book, then only you have interest. If you force yourself, you will not be able to read. If you enjoy reading, then only you are feeling like reading. And when I saw someone speaking conversation video, I felt like these are very simple. These are sentences I can also speak. But when it comes to speaking, no, I can't speak. I am not able to speak. And some YouTubers I followed, they suggested me that you have to speak as much as you can speak. Then only you can achieve fluency. And some are suggested me that you have to first learn grammar. You have to knowledge all about grammar, then only you should start speaking. And sometime I don't watch like once video. This is my problem. If you are learning, you have to follow only one YouTuber, then only you can clear your all doubt, I think. Because I am following every YouTuber. Sometimes I follow one YouTuber and that time I feel like I didn't understand him. But we have to watch them fully, then only we can understood them. If we think like we watch only 1 minute, 2 minutes, after that we dive another video, how we can understand? These are my problems I am facing, because I am not able to constantly I am not watching any one YouTubers. And like podcast, I watch many podcast. In every day I watch like 10 15 podcast, but it will not help me. And how I remove all this my bad habit so that I can improve? And nowadays I am facing some health issue, that's why I am also not able to speak and I am not able to practice. And yes, when I want to improve, if I don't speak, if I don't read, if I don't watch any YouTube video, if I don't watch any conversation video, if I don't watch any podcast, how can I improve? And another part is speaking. I don't feel like speaking. When I go any group, I found that they are speaking very good, very fluently. That time I'm not able to speak in single word also. That's my problem. I am fear of judgment. I have too much fear of judgment, I think. This is my problem. If I don't overcome all this problem, I think I will not be improve my English. So friend, these are my problem I am facing. If you are learning English and I am also wondering like friend, if you want to practice with me, I have sharing my number in screen. If you can call me anytime whenever you have time, just we should practice each other so that we can improve each other. And these are my problems, and if you have any solutions, please give me in comment section so that I can also improve my fluency. And your comment, your suggestion motivate me so that I would more motivated. And these are my problems, and if you are learning English and don't do like I am doing, not otherwise you also not be able to speak English. And thank you for your valuable time. Thank you for your watching me. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining in your life. Have a nice day and take care.